Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about the power of God's creation in your hands, how you can use manifestation, prayer, and synchronicity to create the life you want, how you can align yourself with the divine plan and purpose for your life, how you can experience miracles and blessings every day. Friends, we are all created by God in His image and likeness. We are all endowed with the same creative power that God has. We are all co-creators with God, and we can shape our reality with our thoughts, words, and actions. We are all connected to God, and we can communicate with Him through prayer. We are all guided by God, and we can recognize His signs and messages through synchronicity. So let's learn more about these three concepts: manifestation, prayer, and synchronicity. 1. Manifestation. Friends. Manifestation is the process of bringing something into existence by using your intention and attention. It is based on the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Whatever you focus on, you attract more of it into your life. Whatever you believe, you receive. Whatever you ask for, you are given. As Jesus said, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you." Matthew 7:7. So friends, if you want to manifest something in your life, you have to follow these steps. First, you have to decide what you want. Be clear and specific about your desire. Write it down or visualize it in your mind. Second, you have to believe that you can have it. Trust that God has already given it to you in the spiritual realm, and that it will soon manifest in the physical realm. Feel the emotion of having it already. Third, you have to act as if you already have it. Speak as if you already have it. Behave as if you already have it. Express gratitude for having it already. Fourth, you have to let go and let God. Surrender your desire to God and let Him handle the details. Don't worry about how or when it will happen. Just trust that it will happen at the right time and in the right way. By following these steps, you will activate the power of manifestation in your life, and you will see your dreams come true. 2. Prayer. Friends, prayer is the way of communicating with God. It is the way of expressing your love, gratitude, praise, worship, requests, questions, concerns, confessions, and forgiveness to God. It is also the way of listening to God's voice, guidance, wisdom, comfort, peace, and joy. As Paul said, pray without ceasing. So friends, if you want to pray effectively in your life, you have to follow these tips. First, you have to pray with faith. Believe that God hears your prayers and answers them according to His will. Believe that nothing is impossible for God. Second, you have to pray with humility. Recognize that God is the source of everything in your life. Recognize that you need God's help and grace in every situation. Third, you have to pray with sincerity. Be honest and authentic with God. Tell Him what is in your heart and mind. Fourth, you have to pray with persistence. Don't give up on your prayers. Keep asking, seeking, and knocking until you receive what you need from God. By following these tips, you will activate the power of prayer in your life, and you will experience God's presence and power. 3. Synchronicity. Friends. Synchronicity is the phenomenon of meaningful coincidences that occur in your life. It is the way that God shows you that He is with you and that He has a plan for you. It is also the way that God confirms your intuition and nudges you in the right direction. As Carl Jung said, synchronicity is an ever-present reality for those who have eyes to see. So friends, if you want to recognize synchronicity in your life, you have to follow these clues. First, you have to pay attention to the signs around you. Notice the numbers, symbols, words, colors, images, sounds, and sensations that catch your attention. Second, you have to look for the patterns and connections among them. See how they relate to each other and to your current situation or question. Third, you have to interpret their meaning and message for you. See what they are trying to tell you or teach you or remind you or warn you or encourage you. Fourth, you have to act on their guidance and follow their lead. See what they are asking you to do or not do or change or improve or learn or explore. By following these clues, you will activate the power of synchronicity in your life, and you will discover God's purpose and plan for you. Friends, these are the three concepts that can help you to tap into the power of God's creation in your hands. By using manifestation, prayer, and synchronicity, you can create the life you want. Communicate with God and align yourself with His will. You can become a master of your destiny and a co-creator with God. As Wayne Dyer said, "You'll see it when you believe it." So friends, believe in yourself and believe in God. Believe in the power of God's creation in your hands, and watch your life transform. Friends, this was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so, because I bring you such motivational and inspirational videos every day. Thank you.